My people, na good morning or na good afternoon, good evening, depends where you go watch this video. I bet this man, whether they call Festor Domino, is wanted by Nigeria police. This man just kill his wife, whether they call Deborah Iyoha. Woman, we don't stay with her for more than 12 years. They get 9 years old picking together. Every day they beat this woman. Even when she get belle, 8 months pregnancy, they say she cleared this woman.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, another one don't happen again. Not the way Musa no go see for ghetto. Not the way Percy no go see for this social media. Mo una kon ye killer husband. A man wait me your wife, I beg. Anybody wey know this man, make him make sure say they carry am go give police because he don't run though. This man don't run. They look for this man for everywhere now. Me they wonder where many women for they see this kind easy men. Where they for they see men wey be kilometer like this. How can a man go drop me in your wife? Hey, Mona Listisha. I'll come the
Now the woman fall down, they rush and go hospital. She not survive. She don't die. Now he dead body. Now be this one so good. Now they see for mortuary. 8 months pregnant woman.
Oh,
I beg my people, make una
8 months pregnant.
Who know Festor Domino? Make una report am to Nigeria police. So even this Deborah mama, she dey cry. She say she need justice. Make we hear her cry. Oh,
government, I need justice for my daughter Deborah. Where the husband Festus Osamoyiki with 8 months pregnancy.
With 8 months pregnancy, God go punish you, this man. God go punish you, this man. With 8 months pregnancy, you beat woman, kill am. God go punish you for this thing when you did it, when you do this woman. If you don't want marriage again, you not go leave am. You not go leave am when you just kill this woman just like that. Hey, the whole world need to hear this one. Oh, the mama they cry for justice. Make the whole world come help her.
I need justice, government. I'm a widow. God has been using me to take care of these children when they were small. I am a widow. I need justice, government. Make you not come help me for my daughter where the husband killed with 8 months pregnancy.
Ew.
I beg Mona come to our rescue. I need justice. I need justice for my sister Deborah. I need justice. I need justice. I need justice for Deborah. He has my clear come for ground with 8 months pregnancy. He clear come for ground with 8 months pregnancy.
God go punish this man.
He can live Festus Osamoyi don't kill my sister. He clearly come up for ground. My sister dey mortuary as they talk. So Mona come to our rescue. My mother and widow. We not get anybody to cry upon. Mona come to our rescue. Mona come to our rescue. I beg that's why TP picking the other day go give her to a girlfriend. We still go arrest her after 3 days. Now we see the innocent girl. I beg Mona come to our rescue. The pikin now even 9 years old. Where he kill him mama for a present.
Una dey hear. He clear and come up for ground. Useless man. He clear the woman come up for ground. A pregnant woman of 8 months. This man get mad. Take clear and come up for ground. God go punish you, this man. If Nigeria no fit support this woman for this woman where they cry now say may they help them. I will not say Nigeria. I will not say the wickedness where they really call una really dey inside. How can a man go in your wife of 8 months pregnancy? 8 months, see. No, 8 months not be more you. This man his wife. Now God, now go judge you, this man. God go judge you. God go judge you. God go judge you for what you do this
If
woman.
you keep present for killing mama, oh, I beg you to be
For a pikin present. Now for killing mama. For a pikin present.
because of the innocent girl, oh, the girl na 9 years, I beg, when I
Oh.
come to the girl rescue, oh, the pikin need justice, oh, he cleared mama for grant for a pikin present, now mama die,
Now the
oh,
woman
as they talk, so my
fine.
sister dey mortuary, oh, my sister dey mortuary, oh, after the man don't drink, the man will come and come dey punch my sister, oh, he go beat her, my sister go faint, oh, he don't succeed to kill her for this one,
Yeah.
oh, a man wey
The man wey don dey beat you since, what are you still doing there? Now that one be the thing. A man dey beat you since your sister even dey talk am now. He dey beat am. He go beat am. Sometimes he go faint. You still there with the man. Which kind beg you go beg you when you still go back? Eh? Which kind beg this mugre man go beg you? You still go back? After the beating, sometimes he go beat you, you go faint. You still go back to this man. Huh? Ah, wow. They tell this woman say she not go see her husband for her life again. Wetin make this woman not leave this man that time? Now, he don't measure you now. He don't measure you. Wetin you can't tell about God? You say na for your own mumurity or your own stupidness na make you not comot. You dey see handwriting. You see there with the man. Ah.
a woman of 8 months pregnancy. Abeg una come o. Abeg make una come o. Abeg una come help us o. Abeg una come help us o. Mona let the daughter see justice o. Mona not let my mother die because of my sister matter o. Abeg una come help us o. Abeg o. Abeg.
Ah, my people. This one shock me. This one shock me. A man go beat you sometimes. His sister even dey talk am. He say he go faint sometimes. Why you not leave the man that time? Wetin make you not leave this man that time? This woman. You go let this man meme you. Ah. With 8 months pregnant, not be only you want even come die now. With your unborn baby wey dey your belly. Eh? If they don't fit punish this man, make this man spend the rest of his life imprisonment, they go see anger. Then they suppose the anger make this man just may not do this world again. Eh? Ah, this one they very, very painful, very, very touching. Like, since when I thought they do topic, this one are the highest. This man, God go punish you for what you do so. God go really punish you for you to meme this innocent woman just like this with pregnancy, your own pikin. You not even see pity for the unborn baby where they belly. You not even see pity for her. You make sure say you meme this woman. Eh? You clear her. What did she do you rich like that? If woman get belly, sometimes body they prepare us. We will be women. Sometimes you get some kind of things we go to do. If you be better man, you go overlook him. You go overlook him. Eh? You can't go make sure say you meme this woman. God go judge you, this man. God go judge you. God go judge you. My younger people, when this one, it shocked me. This one shocked me like seriously. The whole world need to hear the woman voice, so this is sister voice. They need to hear her more. They need to hear her more. I never see the kind man will be this one for my life. God go judge you. God go judge you, this man. Thank you, my darling people. Anything you want to think about this video, you want to leave on a comment. Bye.